So we took the little 25-inch out yesterday, and it didn't go well actually. It worked until we tried to turn the boat, and then what happened was the steering was cutting out. And I thought I would just put another speed controller in because I'm sure the servo's okay. And I was just going to recharge the battery, and then I noticed that even though we'd only used the battery for maybe 30 seconds, it had gone from 4.2 to, well, one cell has always been weak in that battery, so when we charged it was on 4.17 or something. The other ones were on 4.2. One of the low cell was actually down to 3.85, and so that tells me it had too much load. I actually think this motor might be the problem. So what was happening was trying to drive the motor. As soon as we put more load on it and use the servo, it couldn't even supply the 5 volts to the servo. So anyway, I was going to swap out the speed controller. Not going to. I'm going to ditch this motor. Alright, so I'm just going to put this one in. This is 1800 kV, 37 millimeter. This came out of a Vector SR80 Pro, I believe. So just span it up. It works. So we'll plonk that one in. This is only going to take 5 minutes, and then that happens. Okay, so got the 1800 in there now. I had to change the collet as well because it's got a 5mm shaft instead of the 4mm shaft. I ended up changing out the speed controller as well. I didn't trust that other one that I had sitting in here. I don't want to go to the lake and have another problem, so I put a new 120 amp Hobby Wing speed controller in there, and she's all sitting in there now. So we'll just take her out and see what it does today. Alright, at Blake again. Let's have another go with this one. Well, that seems better. It's steering under power this time. That's where that log is that sticks up there, remember? Is that all it's got? Alright, I'm definitely changing that motor out.
Actually handles pretty good.
It probably handles, yeah. Goes around corners better than the other one did, and doesn't even have a turn fin on it. Geez, that's not bad actually.
That's really good. Turn too much, it does do that.
Alright. Yeah, it is running wet. Might bring it in, I'll just pull up the strut a little bit.
Oh.
That's, yeah, you can hear not many revs are on board, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Alright, so I've angled the prop up a little bit. I don't know by how much, I didn't bring a ruler or anything. We'll see what happens. Yeah, still wet. Yeah. It could be like a case of the faster we get it to go, the more it'll ride right. Like it might lift the nose up. Go more over there rather than over there, Brock, because if that thing breaks down, it'll float into that island, then we're screwed. You just use it, and we'll see how hot it is when it gets back, and then we'll be able to know if the prop could be bigger next time. But I think I'll just swap out the motor for a higher kV motor. But you can just tell that's just hardly even turning. Actually sits so good. I wish we still had that black one to drive it with.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll get another one.
I just want to check the water was coming through. But it is
Do a takeoff. Just stop. No. I like that sound.
the wind down.
Yeah.
It's cool, isn't it? Ready?
Yeah. Alright. Let's see how hot everything got.
It's very cold.
Oh, it's cold, is it?
It's like, yeah, cool to the touch.
Wow, it's colder than me.
Yeah. So,
Oh, the motor's stone cold.
yeah.
So I could go way bigger in prop, but yeah, I think I'd rather go up in KV.
Yep. Okay.
Alright, just pull it down. Okay. Alright, so another go at this one. We had a 42.14 on there before. Pretty slow, but everything cold. So now I've got a 45.17. Another 2-blade. Yeah. Just go around on the outside. Definitely seems more zippy now. And you can see it's not riding as low too.
Yeah.
See the water's not spraying up. Much better. Just do like 2 more laps and then we'll put the 48 on there.
Okay.
And then we'll see how hot it got. Or if we blow anything up.
Does a little bit of like moving around on its own, this.
What do you mean?
Sometimes if we're going straight and we'll just start turning around a little bit. It's just the shape of it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. So that kind of fixed the running wet business, and speed's a bit better for a 3S. Put some crap on the propeller there, bro. There you go. Good way to fix it. One of these pigeons up here nearly shut on Brock, man. I just about got him.
Unreal.
You need to stand here, Brock. Stand right here.
All of that.
Another one. You dirty bastard. I might film from up there. Seems safer.
Stand in the danger here with me, please.
Has that got the sleeve in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so these are 316 props on a 4mm shaft, so I'm running the little adapter sleeve.
That's fine. There you can see.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, see that real good. This is actually a 47.14. Did you wear a belt today, Brock?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got 47.14. We went 42.14, it was crap. 45.17 seemed pretty good. Now 47.14. This is a Pro Mod one, so it's slightly detongued. Let's see what it looks like. ×2 on the zoom. I mean, for 1800 kV on 3S, it's actually not bad.
Yeah. I nearly got you there.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Glad I've got my hat on. Another one straight there. Yeah, pity I haven't got 2 little 4S batteries to put in that, because that'll be zipping along really good. It's okay, we'll up the KV. I'll put a TP motor in it tomorrow. something around 2,800 or something, maybe 3,000.
I have to say, this tank's good both ways.
Yeah,
Can't turn.
pretty good boat.
You don't get that very often.
To turn good right as well as left, yeah.
Yeah.
Boats really aren't meant to. What happened there? What happened there?
Just turned a little bit there. It must hit a wave or something.
It almost looked like it was upside down. You flipped it back over or something.
It was. I noticed the back was in the water, so I just floored it. Hoping it would flip over.
I'm surprised how good this boat is.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
Maybe we should just fix the other one as well.
Two of them.
Yeah,
Similar ones.
yeah. We'll get this one going quick and then just do another one the same.
You turn like that.
No turn fin either.
Yeah. Bring it in.
You want? Yeah, this is good. Bird shit's going everywhere, Brock. Did you? All right, let's see how hot anything got. I mean, judging from the runtime you got there, and it wasn't slowing down either,
No.
I'm going to say nothing's going to be too hot.
Not bad, yeah.
I really need to fix that hose cover
Yeah.
so we can get it flat.
No. It's barely any different from before, to be honest.
Bullshit, really?
Yeah, touch it. Yeah. I'm
You
not.
know, battery super cold.
I think that's going to be better.
Motor should be pretty hot because it's only the front of it's water cooled, and it's not.
It's not.
Wow.
Yes, it's
Get out! Oh, the speed controller's colder.
I
It's
know.
like the water down there.
Yeah.
What the? Wish I had a bigger prop. Wow. That needs 4S. Damn,
pretty much
I just
begging for it,
don't
isn't
have
it?
those batteries. Wow, that is so cold. Unbelievable. Yeah, okay.
No.
All right, we will do something. Oh, maybe a 3-blade as well. That
Three-blade,
loads
we
them
can
up
try
pretty
that.
good.
Yeah.
But
Like
yeah,
that
you
one,
don't always get your top end, but
That one that works good on the
you can be
Reaper and
surprised. Yeah,
stuff. That's similar size sort of boat.
yeah. All right.